Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I am fine, thank you. I'm fine, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good morning.
So today, what we are planning?
Exam.
Yeah, today I have told you to prepare for the class test.
Yes.
Are
Yes.
you not ready for the class test?
Yes.
You ready for the class test?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Let us move.
See you.
You cannot see me.
I'm Darus.
Danush, check your device. Danush. Sure, everything is okay, and I think all the others can see me very well, right?
Yes.
Because Danush only have problem, you know.
Yes.
So let us begin. Don't waste the time.
Yes. Yes.
For that, I just want to revise the lesson once again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Can I
Yes,
just
ma'am.
revise the lesson once again?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So before I want your cute smile. Some are sitting so seriously. Be cool. Faisal ma'am is here now. Why you are so serious? No, no, no need. Should be very cool, cool. Okay. Now let us revise the topics. I want to mute everyone. It's going to mute all. Otherwise, lot of disturbance will be there. Now it's clear. So the first question, into which form water change on heating? Into which form water change on heating? When we heat some water, the water will change into water vapor. Very good, very good. The answer is water vapor. Question number 2. Which among the following flows downwards? Which form of water flows downwards? Ice, snow, water vapor, water. Which form of the water flows downwards? Water. Very good. In nature, in nature, water exists in dash different forms. What is the answer? Yeah, ma'am will look into your lip movement. I want to get everybody's answer. Come on. In nature, water exists in dash different forms. What is the answer? Water exists in nature. Water exists in three different forms. Very good. Dash. Alvina, look here. You can look at your workbook because you already completed. Look at the workbook. Everybody look at the workbook. Dash takes the shape of the vessel it is kept in. Dash takes the shape of the vessel it is kept in. Water. Water. What is the answer? Water. Very good. Number 5. Ice melt to form water when it becomes Hot or cold? When it becomes ice melted to form water. When it becomes hot. When it becomes hot. Number 6. What if dash has no shape? Sri Parvati and Parthasarathi, what are you doing? I didn't say to write anything. Parvati and Parthasarathi. Dash has no shape. It mixes with the air around. Dash has no shape. It mixes with the air around. Air around. What is the answer? Water vapor. Very good, Siddharth. Very good. Thank you. Number 7. Observe the following images of different forms of water. Write their names and 2 differences between them in the boxes given below. Ice. The first picture, that is ice. It does not flow. It has a shape. Okay. The second picture, water. It can flow. It does not have a shape. Okay. Just after this, I'll take the test. So listen the questions and answers what ma'am is reading. Okay. Shabari, what are you doing? Put your legs properly. What is this? Shabari. This is the way you sit in the class. Sit straight. Okay. Number 8. Match the following. Heat from the sun changes water to its vapor form. Number 9. Look at the workbook. When ma'am is reading, you also look at your workbook. I don't know whether you have completed or not. Anyway, I have told many times to complete the notes. Small water droplets. Number 9. Small water droplets. Krishna. You can keep your box there, playing with the box. Okay. Small water droplets form clouds. Number 10. In very cold places, water changes into ice and snow. 11. Examples of water bodies are. Examples of water bodies are ponds, lakes and rivers. Number 12. Where does rainwater get collected? Rainwater gets collected in open water bodies. Some of the water that goes into the soil is stored underground. Okay. Can we move to the next question? Where does rain come from? Rain comes from clouds. When the drops of water in the clouds become too heavy, they fall as rain. They fall as rain. Okay. Next, I hope you completed the picture of water cycle. I want to see a water cycle. Come on, show me a water cycle. Show me a water cycle. Show me the water cycle. Everybody, show me the water cycle. Show me the water cycle. Yeah, very beautiful, Adiga. It looks so cute. Your picture. Okay, Agna, she is searching. Dia Maria, show me the water cycle. Asher Benny, I want to see a cute picture. Water cycle. Show me the water cycle. Anai, where is your water cycle? Asher. Okay, good. Anai, Ameya, Abel Jigson, Hannah. Hannah, show me a water cycle. Okay. Shifna, where is your workbook? Show me the motorcycle. She is switch off the video. Okay. Thank you, children. Now, we are moving to number 15, multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions. Which of the following sentences is correct? Rain clouds are white in color. Rain clouds are green in color. Rain clouds are filled with water vapor. All types of clouds come down as rain. What is the answer? Rain clouds are filled with water vapor. Number 16. On a sunny day, under which of the following conditions will water change to vapor easily? We are talking about a sunny day. Sunny day means a bright, hot day. Water kept indoor in an open vessel, kept outdoor in a closed vessel, kept indoor in a closed vessel, kept outdoor in an open vessel. Answer: kept outdoor in an open vessel. Okay, Parthasarathi, sit properly. Shifna, show me your workbook. Again, she switched off the video. Whenever I am asking her to show the workbook, she switches off the video. I think she is not completed. Why you switch off the video? You didn't complete the workbook exercises? No, I understood. Number 17. Show me your workbook, Shifna. Number 17, what will happen if the water vapor... Okay, Anne, got it. What will happen if the water vapor that goes up never gets cooled down? Never gets cooled down. If the water vapor that does not cool down, rain clouds will not be formed. Rain clouds will not be formed. Without the rain clouds, we will not get rain. All the water bodies will get dried up. All the water bodies will get dried up. Number 18. Rain clouds appear closer to us when we compare to other clouds. What can be the reason for this? Rain clouds are, what can be the reason? Rain clouds are filled with water droplets. They become heavy and cannot float high like other clouds. So they appear closer to us. Okay. Number 19, long answer question. Take the image. We can see two images in the picture in which the clouds will dry easily and write the reason in the space given. In which season the clouds will dry so easily? Summer. Summer. What is the reason? The heat from the sun quickly changes water in the clouds into vapor so easily in monsoon. Parvati, what are you doing? Stop writing. Are you playing with the paper? In the monsoon, there is not much sunlight. Okay, so here is the last question for you. After that, we will move to the test paper, the class test. There is some water in an open container. What will the water level be after a day? Take the correct option and write the reason. What will be the water level? Option B. Option B. The water level goes down because water goes out of the container as water vapor. Water goes out of the container as water vapor. Have you all understood? Andrea, are you talking to your father? Listen to class, Andrea. I can see you very well. So, everybody look at the chat box. Here, ma'am is going to send the test paper, the class test link. Wait, it is coming. Now check the link. Check the link in the chat box. Everybody check the link. I hope all of you got the link. Please start doing. Write your name and click the division class. Once again, I'll send the link. Please check the chat box. Have you got it? Give me a thumbs up. If you got the link, give me a thumbs up. Everybody, give me a thumbs up. If you got the link, give me a thumbs up. You're supposed to write your name, class, then division. First question read, into which form will water change on heating? When we heat some water, it will change into water vapor, snow, rain. What is the correct answer? Put a click. Next question, which among the following flows downwards? Water, ice, snow, water vapor. Dash has no shape. Ice, water vapor. Next question. Which of the following sentences is correct? Rain clouds are white in color. Rain clouds are green in color. Rain clouds are filled with water vapor. All types of clouds come down as rain. On a sunny day, under which of the following conditions will water change to vapor easily? Kept indoor in an open vessel, kept outdoor in a closed vessel, kept outdoor in an open vessel. Have you completed, children? Have you completed the class test? Is those who could not do it now, don't worry, I'll send, if you come personally and please contact me after the class, I'll send through the WhatsApp. Okay, Don't worry. If you didn't get the link, don't worry. Please don't worry. Maybe your network issue or any other problem. If you didn't get the link now. Okay, you can, Anai. Yes, you can. You cannot do the test. Please contact me through the WhatsApp. I'll send it. Okay? Don't worry. If you want it again, I'll send it to you. Hope you have completed the test. Only 5 questions. Devananda, have you completed? Have you done the test? Yes, yes, yes. So, shall we move to the next? Adinath, have you done the test? Irene Abhi, what happened? Unmute. Irene Abhi, you can unmute. What happened, Irene Abhi? Is there any problem? Your mom is there? You can't do? You didn't get the link?
Yes.
You can't open the question paper?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry, Arinabi, I will send through the WhatsApp. Please contact me immediately after the class. Okay?
Yes.
I'll send it to you personally. Others, I hope everybody have done. Right? What about Parthasarathi and Sri Parvati? Have you done the class test? Krishna? Okay, contact me personally through the WhatsApp. Okay, Krishna? Then I'll send. Okay. So, children, please close your books. Everybody can close your books. Yes. So, this lesson is over. Everybody, Naila, everybody can close your books. You can close your books. Come on, be fast. And stand up, my little one. Stand up. Yeah. Stand up. Hello, stand up, baby. Stand up, stand up. Come on. Be smart. Why some of you are sitting so lazily? I want my everybody, all my little ones to be very smart in my class. Clap your hands. Smile, smile and clap your hands. Yes, a beautiful smile for me. Give me fast. Clap, clap, clap. Naila, clap, clap. Ayan, Abel Gibson, Ameya. Yeah, thank you. You all look so cute. So, I think this is the last in this lesson, and we have completed 3 lessons. Oh, almost 3 lessons we completed till now, and we have done the class test of the lesson forms of order just now. And hello, Anna Rose Baiju, please close your book. What ma'am said now. I want my little ones to be very smart. Sit down. Sit, sit. Sit. Stand up. Yeah, thank you, Krishna. I like you. I like you. Love you too. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So, we have completed 3 lessons. Organ system, skeletal system, then forms of water. And here is the new lesson for you. Something totally different. It's really different. Any guess? Have you any guess? Yeah, I'll speak to you. Here, children, which part of our body help us to see? Which part of our body help us to see? Our eyes. Very good. And 1 minute. Let me unmute something. Which part of our body help us to see, children?
Eyes.
Eyes. Eyes help us to see. We all know that eyes help us to see. Just imagine we are sitting in a dark room. A complete dark room. Oh, just imagine. Can you see anything? We are opening our eyes and we are looking each other, me and my kids. See, Pfizer women, all three of children we all are, just imagine we are sitting in a dark room, very dark room, and we are keeping our eyes open, but still we are not able to see anything around us. Why? Why?
There is no light.
There is no
Light.
There is no
Light.
Exactly, that is the word. Yeah, here is the lesson.
That is
It's
the chapter.
all about light. Wonderful. Thank you very much, my little ones. The lesson is about light.
Light.
We are going to learn more about light. Light. Everybody repeat after me. Light. Light. Very good, very good. When we are in a dark room and just imagine we have no light, but still we are keeping our eyes open. We are not able to see anything in front of us or around us. Why? Because there is no light. So the presence of light is needed. The presence of, do you believe in that?
Yes.
We need the presence of light. Then only our eyes can help us to see the things. Right?
Yes.
So the light is very important. And you know, children, from which all sources we are getting light?
Sun.
Yeah, sun. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Sun is the natural and the very important source of light. Sun is the natural and the very important source of light. Then, any answer? Any other answer? Yes, we are getting light from the sun. Then,
Bulb.
yeah, bulb. Yeah, electric bulb.
Lamp.
Then,
Lamp.
lamp. Yeah, good one.
Ma'am, candle.
Candle. Yeah. Then any other answer?
Torch.
Torch. Yeah, good. Then emergency lamp. Okay, fine. Okay. Then any other answer? Wow, excellent kids. Thank you. So we are getting lights from different sources. Am I right, children?
Yes.
Lights from many sources we are getting. And as you said, sun is the most important and the natural source of light. Sun is the most important and the natural source of light. Very good, excellent answer. And sun is the natural and important source of light. And you know, there are some other sources of light too. Sun, stars. Stars also give us light. How many of you like to watch the stars in the night sky? I'm really interested. How many like to watch the night sky? Handsome? I just want to see who all are my friends. Yeah, even I'm also very much interested in watching night sky. So beautiful, right? Twinkling, twinkling stars. Okay, so the sun and the stars are the natural sources of light. And we can just divide from which all sources we are getting light. Natural sources, and as you said, electric lamp, oil lamp, then kerosene lamp. Yeah, candle, LED bulb, these are man-made sources of light. That is artificial sources of light. So all these lights are made by man. We are only making these kind of lights. What are they? LED bulb, electric bulb, then oil lamp, candle, kerosene lamp. These are artificial sources of light. Artificial sources of light. So we have natural sources of light and artificial sources of light. Sun and the stars are the natural sources of light. Yeah, I'll share the one beautiful picture of sun. You can watch it. Can you see the sun?
Yes.
Isn't it beautiful, right? Sun gives light to the world. Just imagine if one day sun will decide, oh, I'm feeling so lazy, I'm not going to rise. What will happen? Our whole world will become dark. Okay, so sun, we need sunlight. Okay, we not only for as human beings, the plants need sunlight, animals need sunlight, we all need sunlight. Sun is the most important and natural source of light. We are getting a lot of daylight from the sun. Okay, next. See the next picture? Stars. What is this, children? Stars. We can see the stars in the night sky. We can see the stars in the night sky. So twinkling, twinkling stars. Very beautiful sight. Right? And we have many other man-made, the artificial sources of light too. Okay, have you all understood the topic?
Yes.
Don't worry, we will continue the same topic after autumn vacation. Okay, so today we just started the new lesson, sources of light. We have natural sources and man-made sources of light. Okay, sun and the stars are the examples of natural sources of light. Then electric bulb, kerosene lamp, oil lamp, candle, these are the examples of artificial or man-made sources of light. Okay, give a cute smile before we end up the class. Okay. We will continue the same in after autumn vacation. Happy autumn, my dear children. Happy autumn.
Happy autumn, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Love you all.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care. Take care.
Bye,
Bye. Bye.
ma'am.